However, there are some things you can do to potentially slow down or prevent the increase of eye power. There is no guaranteed way to completely stop the increase of eye power because it is influenced by various factors such as genetics, age, and environmental factors. However, there are some things you can do to potentially slow down or prevent the increase of eye power. Take frequent breaks. If you spend a lot of time reading, using a computer or mobile phone, take regular breaks to rest your eyes. Every 20 minutes, look away from your screen and focus on a distant object for 20 seconds. Ensure proper lighting. Avoid reading or working in low light conditions, which can strain your eyes. Make sure your work area is well lit. Maintain a healthy diet. A diet rich in vitamins and minerals, particularly vitamin A, can help maintain good eye health. Get regular eye exams. Visit an eye doctor regularly for a comprehensive eye exam to monitor any changes in your vision and discuss potential treatment options. Wear appropriate eyewear. If you have a refractive error, make sure to wear the appropriate corrective eyewear prescribed by your eye care practitioner. Wearing contact lenses or glasses with the wrong prescription can cause additional strain on your eyes and potentially worsen your vision over time. It's important to note that these tips may not guarantee a complete stop to the increase of eye power, but they can help maintain good eye health and potentially slow down the progression of refractive errors. Thank you.